So it's about 2 p.m. the 28th of June 2015. I'm standing here at Montreal Lake, and I believe they moved the elders already and babies and all that to Prince Albert.
Coming our way, and hopefully everything will be safe, our house and everything. But we'll see what happens. There's over 17 fires this year, 2015. God willing, everybody will be safe. So
We
all
are
got to meet
currently at Montreal Lake Band with everyone that is waiting, hopefully to leave soon. We got a bus, we got cars, and if you look over there, we got
chaos, I say. Total chaos.
an entire line all the way to the gas station, since people cannot, you know, drive with half a small tank of fuel. Hello. Sorry.
I want bread-based can.
So this is MLCFA doing some evacuation.
Right here, it's closed, and fire jumped to 969 towards mile 11, and yeah, I think we're gonna evacuate mile 11. And for more information, contact the office 663-5349. Okay, unfortunately, it's pretty bad here, so talk to you.
Make sure nobody's here. The wind is coming up, and the fire's spreading big time. We got to go door to door and let people know, or get them out of here, period. Police are really good here. I just love them. They're awesome. Always willing to work, always willing to do something to help out our community. You can't pay them anymore. I mean, I wish we could, you know. But yeah, they're the best police officers here in Montreal Lake. I've never met anyone better. Cool. Awesome.
Lots of people went to Prince Albert, some went to Saskatoon, and they used the back road over here. That's towards Candle Lake or Snowfield Road, the 969, and that's out of the reserve. And the normal way goes that way towards the number 2.
So that's making this fire go even faster, and that's just crazy. Look how big that fire's getting. That's the thing about living in a reserve, like where we live in, where there's so much bush. There's going to be a fire like that happening. So God willing, everybody's safe and sound over there.
So this is the scene by the crossroads in Montreal Lake. Those are the water bombers working on yet another flare up. And there's another flare up over here towards mile 11, and there's another flare up further out.
He's now dropping off some water near the trailer there, and trying to shut this fire off. As you can see, the wind is coming up. Very windy, so we're kind of panicky here right now. Everybody's leaving the north.
Off the number 2, and it's still not improving. So you'll have to be, you'll have to be patient because it's not safe.
This vehicle. So we have no choice but to try stop it. We don't have shovels. We don't have anything to use but our hands and our feet. But you got to do it. You have to. You can't. You have no excuse. So this is good stuff. And that's what we're doing. We're crawling around looking for places. Even though it's raining, it's still a threat. Put it on! Good job, George. Excellent. You may have to take that one out now, eh? Yeah. All right. Right on the edges there, Tim. That's where the fire's gonna, yeah, like that. Okay, yeah. There's another one over there. Good. Good work. Well, looks like he's safe and sound, that's for sure. Good to see my brother. Hey, Coach. Hey, Coach. How you doing? Yeah?
Sleeping down the lake there.
Yeah?
Out in the water. Mam te imitan.
Ah,
No sa taga skate but Papa you wouldn't go some place it imitan.
no.
Se put so it's okay.
Yeah.
Papa taga pagi sine.
Yeah.
Tapos
No, I'll think about you.
There you go. Oh, that's a cool machine. Part of the Montreal Lake group. One of the crews from Montreal Lake working on this piece of burn in Montreal Lake. This is the road going towards Mount 11. These are the guys and gals from Lakeland. This is the Old McLean's area, and those are part of the Canadian Army, and they're still making sure that these houses are protected. And we also have fire trucks from different places. Smeaton. After a long day, come on, show us your move. Whoa! do a quick video of the new subdivision in Montreal. Today is July the 10th, 2015. Everything looks good over here. Knock on wood. The RCMP and local security do their checks. I was parked over here somewhere last night. The RCMP come poking around, so more need some rain. More. Where? We got some rain coming down. Today is July the 13th, 2015.